Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is Anne, and if you've been here already, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a tutorial where we go back to basic. I wanted to show you like a really easy cut crease, showing it step by step, and this is the look that I made. The first thing I'm gonna do is prime my eyelids. I'll be using the MAC Cosmetics Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I'm applying this all over my eyelid using a P84 brush by Sigma Beauty. So I saw that Anastasia Beverly Hills recently launched a new eyeshadow primer, and I'm really curious because I've heard amazing things about it. So in one of my upcoming videos, I'm gonna try to review this eyeshadow primer to see if it's gonna replace my MAC Soft Ochre one. So I'm gonna use the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna blend this really soft orangey brownish kind of color in my crease. This is a perfect color to use as a transition shade, and I'm blending this in my crease using a Sigma Beauty E40 brush. So I'm just gonna blend this from the inner corner to the outer corner. And for today's video, I wanted to like minimize my editing. I really wanted you guys to be able to follow along with me with blending and applying the concealer all over the eyelid. So yeah, hopefully this is gonna be helpful. So now I'm taking this color, which is a little bit darker, and I'm gonna focus like more straight into the crease, and I'm gonna try to kind of warm it up and also darken it up. So now that I'm done with applying the eyeshadows in the crease, I'm going in with the MAC Cosmetics Pro Longwear Concealer. I'm gonna apply this all over the eyelid and also right underneath my natural crease. And this will create that cut crease effect that we want. And I used a different brush today, which I actually really like, but the sad thing is that it comes in a brush kit with a lot of other brushes. This brush is not sold individually, and this was the only brush I really liked from the brush kit. So that kind of sucks, but the brush is really good. It's really flat, so it makes it just easier to create like a really sharp edge because it's so flat. You can just work really precise with it. I will put the name in the description bar just for those who are curious, but like I said, it does come in a brush kit, unfortunately. So yeah, I'm not gonna skip any part of applying the concealer because I really wanted to show you like how long it takes me to do this. Also, some of you requested me to do a video where I don't skip any parts in the video, so you can really see like how long the blending takes, how long this part takes. So I just wanted to do that for this video since cut creases can be a little bit hard at the beginning. And I feel like maybe this will make it more easier for you guys to understand or to follow along with the video. So yeah, let me know if you appreciate it, if you want me to do this more often. Of course, if you have seen me doing this like 100 times and you don't want to see me doing this for so long, you can just skip this part and just speed it up and go to the next step. So now that I'm done with the concealer, I'm going to use the lightest color from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Palette. And I'm going to use this to apply it all over the eyelid. This will also make sure that the concealer that I just applied will kind of be locked in place. You're setting it with powder so it's not gonna move, and I feel like this is so beautiful because you created like a little bit of depth in the crease, and now you apply a light color all over the eyelid, and this creates just a really soft but still kind of glamorous cut crease. I think it's really beautiful. Then I'm gonna use some eyeliner. I'll be using the Maybelline Studio Gel eyeliner, which is my favorite drugstore eyeliner. And I'm using a angled brow brush from Sigma Beauty to create the winged liner. Then now for the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to use this pencil from Tarte, which is called the Easy on the Eyes pencil. They just recently launched these pencils. They come in a lot of different colors, but I wanted to use like a neutral color because this is like more of a softer cut crease. Even though I feel like because of the eyeliner, it probably doesn't look really soft, but you know, if I would go in with darker colors, it would be a lot more dramatic. And also, I prefer brown in the waterline instead of black. I feel like it looks better on me. It makes the eye color pop out more. I just like it a bit more, and I thought it actually looked really beautiful with today's eye look. Then now for underneath the lower lash line, I'm going to use this brown color, and I'm going to use that in combination with this one, which is a little bit warmer, and I'm just going to mix those two colors on my brush, and I'm going to softly press this right underneath the lower lash line. Then now I'm switching to a bigger blending brush. This one is by Makeupgeek, and I'm just gonna sweep my brush back and forth to really create that blown out lower lash line. Then I used a lash curler. I'm not really sure which I'm using. This one is like a really beautiful rose gold one. I will search the name up and I will put it down in the description bar. It's a really beautiful one. And then for my mascara, I'm gonna use my all-time favorite mascara from Benefit, which is the Roller Lash Mascara. Then I'm going in with some fake eyelashes, and these are really beautiful. They are by Dark Swan of Denmark, and these are in the style Adore, and I'm gonna apply them using some tweezers. And I just think these are so beautiful. They are like really fluffy, wispy, not too dramatic. You can still see like the cut crease and the light color on the eyelid. It doesn't hide all of it. It's just the perfect amount of fluffiness. And then here you have the finished result. Let me know in the comments if you enjoy watching today's video. Let me know if it was helpful. Also, I'm using a different ring light, which I got from OPV Beauty. So the lighting is a little bit different in today's video. And I kind of noticed that normally, like how my lighting was before this video, it's much more yellow. I found it to look so weird, and I never noticed until today. So yeah, let me know if you prefer this quality or how it used to be. Just let me know. Maybe you don't even notice. but I'm just curious to know if you like the lightning. So yeah, let me know if you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and hopefully I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys!